Hi guys, good morning to you all. Good morning. So today we are dressing for fashion. I want to show you guys how I want to make up my baby, my kids. This is Victoria. So I need to make her up. Naima said she don't want to wear makeup. She just wants to use lipstick. So this one you used yesterday, no?
I guess I'll try it.
You have to take off the clothes first. So she's a Snow White.
Elsa.
Sorry, Elsa.
Do I have black hair? What's wrong with you? Yeah, wait, what is wrong over there? Exactly.
So we are going to do it very fast, Mama, because time
It's wasted.
I'm going to use white and blue, no?
Yeah, like purple, white.
Sorry, what are you doing there?
White, blue. I only need
Sorry.
blue. I only need light blue, white, and purple.
Sorry, Mama.
Come on, sorry.
Bianca, no, don't do that, Mama. Then blue. And blue.
Tell me that you did yesterday.
I'm going to make it a little bit finer today.
Mommy, why? Up 2 times. Yeah, tomorrow is your fashion.
Yeah, tomorrow is your fashion, Mommy. Not today. No, purple.
Yeah.
This one is purple, right?
Yeah.
So. Let me.
Creepy.
Yeah, let me put more white.
I suck my toe against out.
White. More.
No.
White.
Even more white. The trillion Brazilian white.
Bring Latisha jacket out, eh?
And where is it?
As I'm dressed, it's in the wardrobe now.
Yeah, he's got it.
Thank God I'm not the one to make up. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, in her wardrobe, in the wardrobe. That wardrobe. Where are you going? Are you alright?
Yeah, hold on. Where is it? The lipstick. Give me.
That wardrobe, where is that wardrobe?
It's mine.
Mommy, if you try to be a husband.
Mama, this side.
Daddy's.
Push from daddy's side. Yeah. This is not the one I used for you guys yesterday. No, not this one.
Tested on Victoria's lips.
This one is fine,
Garlic on Victoria's lips.
but it's light. Yeah, bring the pink jacket, Mommy. Yeah, perfect. This one is the one I used yesterday. If you cannot shut, you can shut it back, Mommy.
Well, I'm not gonna take off my trouser. What are you doing with my trouser? You still eat my costume. You want to eat my costume?
You look different, Mommy.
No.
Blonde Esther. Is it Esther? Esther.
No.
Come on.
Gaza.
There's this Once Upon a Time that I watched. So here is Ariana.
Yes.
Yasmin. Yasmin, the wish maker. She's gonna make a wish for us.
Mommy,
She's gonna grant our wish, ma.
Genie is the wish maker, not Yasmin.
So Ginny.
And the genie is inside the wish maker. She always run away from me. I don't like it. I'm crying now.
Are you sure this is all you want? Eh?
A little makeup.
Be careful. Do I even use red today?
Mommy, we could have just makeup that. We're wasting my time.
I'm not wasting your time, okay? I'm making them up. Tomorrow,
Don't make them up.
I must make them up. Tomorrow, I'm going to make you up too. 9.
Why? That should be creepy.
To be creepy.
Okay. Don't be like Yasmin. One eye's grey, one eye's brown.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't see it? That's why most of our classmates call her cute.
Really?
And some of them also call her ghost.
Okay, I do it then. Gold and blue.
Mommy, she meant the person in my class. Yasmin.
So I thought
Princess.
it's okay, no? Blue and gold.
Not bad. It doesn't have